Hello and welcome back to Here We Tow. Today we've got a little product review in relation to the Crusader tabletop gas barbecue. So this is a little product here, so stay with us and let's see how we get on. Just got to say, this is from Electrical World, just there. That'll be down in the description below. Yes, a gas product from Electrical World. See how we get on. So as you've probably seen from some of the tweets and social media, been using this for a little while now, proper testing. It's got to be done. You know, barbecuing is one of the things that we do as campers. A lot of people use Caravan, and I've got to be honest with this, that's part of the review. I've used a Caravan, and this at first was quite hard to use. The reason why I say that is it's different. It's a different barbecue. It gives a proper barbecue taste because of the lava rock and everything that's inside it. It's a different way of cooking, whereas the Caravan is a hot plate. The heat's distributed evenly. This has hot spots and low spots, which I like because you can cook things and put things to sides and then put other things on, so you can time things a little bit better when you're cooking. Like I say, the taste is brilliant, and it's worked really well. At the moment it's on sale. I've seen it on the Electrical World website. It says it's 30% off. Its recommended retail price $34.50, but it's currently at $23.99 in their current sale. I don't know how long that'll stay in there for. I just wanted to mention cost with you because I think that's a big thing in relation to when you're looking at hundreds of pounds for a Caravan and a little gas barbecue at 25 quid potentially. So it's something to bear in mind. I wanted to do it into three different parts. The three different parts being the cost, which I've covered, how it cooks, and the ease to clean it. So I've gone through the cost with you, how it cooks. I've gone through that a bit with you as well. Like I say, the heat across it, because it's got the gas regulator and it goes across the paddle at the bottom. There's the controllable flame is all the way across the bottom of the barbecue, which heats the lava rock, which is absolutely fantastic. Like I say, it gives high and low spots, obviously in the middle and where the lava rock, where you build it up because you put it in yourself. That's dependent on how you want to cook. I've put it quite centrally down the middle. And that worked for me, so I could then use the edges as cooler spots to be able to cook things properly, as we always want to do in a barbecue. The area on the space is fantastic. I've got to say, I've used that really well. I've managed to cook a full pack of sausages. I was going to say several packs of sausages, but that's what I've cooked, but not at one time. I've managed to cook a pack of sausages and half a pack of bacon, just in one sitting, because the surface area is so big, and it just covers it so well. So how big it is to cook, the surface area for cooking, how evenly it cooks, I've got to say, for the price, fantastic. Obviously it's not a Caravan, it's not a hot plate, it's not going to cook things like you would on a frying pan. It's a barbecue, and it tastes like a barbecue, and that's what I'm really, really impressed with. So yeah, I've got to say, it's a cracking piece of kit. It really is. In relation to that, I've also been thinking about questions that you might ask. When it's getting warm, when it's hot, does it get hot under here? Does it damage the table? I've been cooking it on this one, which is the Vango bamboo table, and I've got to be honest, I've put my hand underneath and it's been warm. It hasn't been hot, it's been warm, but all the heat's rising, so that's worked really well as well. One thing that I'm not overly happy with is this gas regulator. The regulator itself works really easily. It's nice and positive, so you can feel you're turning the gas up and down. What I don't like is it doesn't seem to lock into place. So as you can see here, when the hose pushes down on it, it actually fouls on the handle on the side. So that's maybe a little bit of a design flaw there. But I've got to be honest, I overcome it just by putting my hand over and then just twisting to my desired, which, because the gas hose pulls down. What I've also done is I've had to buy the hose that doesn't come in the kit, the clips, and also the end that goes into your Caravan or onto a cylinder or propane or gas or whatever bottle it is that you might have to do. You'd need to buy the extras onto that. What you get is what you see here and this. So everything after this that I've added on, you'd need to buy extra to be able to use. So with ours, we've got the gas point on the Caravan, so I just bought the adapter, which was actually a Crusader part, which I didn't realise, to hook in so that I could use our safe fill gas. So, and that's worked really well, so I'm really pleased with that. What I've done is I've put product descriptions in the links below of what I've bought just from Amazon, just so that you've got an idea of what I've used here. Finally, the ease of cleaning. It is very easy to clean. I'm not the cleanest of person. I don't really like washing up, but it's one of those things that you've got to do. It comes apart really easily. The grill just comes off like a normal barbecue, and it's quite easy to give it because of its size. It fits and cleans quite well in the washing up point that we use over at the way. So that comes out. Obviously you can remove all the lava rock and get to the plate underneath, and any fat that's spilt down, you can also get to that and take that plate, give it a quick clean as well. So I've got to say, overall I'm really impressed. I'm really surprised that you can get such a good barbecue for the best part of £25 at the moment in the sale. So yeah, I've got to recommend it. It's for camping, for caravanning, for motorhoming. I think it's a cracking piece of kit. It's well made. Like I say, that was the one thing that I didn't overly like about it, but it's just a personal choice. So for me, it's done really well, and I'm really pleased with it. I'll show you a few bits of footage that I've used to cook on this. I've fed the 5000, and they've all given a positive review, so said that everything tasted really good, even when I've used quite cheap meats. It's given them a good taste. So no, I highly recommend you having a look, seeing what you think. If you're in line with the barbecue, you don't want to spend a massive amount of money and you want something that's quick, easy and does the job, then I would recommend this. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you at the next one. See you later.